matitira. Sino kaya sa kanila ang magiging kauna-una ng Philippine Idol? The decision is in your hands, guys. Kaya simulan nyo na ang pamimili ng inyong kauna-unahang Philippine Idol. Ever Philippine Idol. We've got the great set and of course a great band led by Mel Villena. And of course we have 24 of the best singers in the Philippines sa ating semi-final round. For over a month, nasundan niyo po ang kanilang kwento, ang kanilang mga pinagdaanan. Meron sa inyo nasiyahan, merong nalungkot, at merong lang hinayang sa mga natanggal na paborito nyo. But this is what's gonna happen tonight. Sa semi-finals, 12 boys at 12 girls. And they're gonna go through, mananalo sila sa pamamagitan ng inyong text votes. Simple lang, di ba? Okay, tonight is performance night. And eto, for the boys lang siya. Puro mga lalaki ang magpapakitang gilas. And I'm sure gusto nila silang makilala. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the 12 male semi-finalists for the very first edition of Philippine Idol. Presenting Freddy Cabael. Ngayon pa lang, nararamdaman ko na ang tensyon. Nininervyos ba kayo? You alright? Sino nininervyos? Sino gusto na umuwi? You don't wanna go home. Understandable. Sino ang gustong manalo? That's the spirit we need for Philippine Idol. Narito na ang 12 male semi-finalists on stage. Eh, yung mga chicks, nasa na? Ladies are right here. Relax lang kayo dyan, girls. Darating ang next week when you get to take center stage, okay? Tonight, you watch. It's the guys who will compete. Ang tanong ko lang, kanino manggagaling ang kauna-una ng Philippine Idol? The guys or the girls? Mukhang galit na ang ating mga contestants. Pagalingan na lang po yan, pagpapa-impress sa mga texters. Kasi nasa inyong mga kamay ang kanilang kapalaran. And of course, to guide you with your decisions, baka malito kayo dahil marami silang mga contestants at magagaling sila, pihado. We have the judges to help you out with their opinions. Okay? Alright. Sa dulo ng ating show, after we've heard everyone, that is the only time you get to vote. We'll give you the go signal at doon lang kayo pwede magsimula mag-text vote. Otherwise, hindi po mabibilang ang inyong mga boto. And then tomorrow night, Sunday night show is called the Results Night. I-announce po natin ang ating top 4 sa mga voters. At ang top 4, automatically, they make it straight to the finals. Okay, so out of the 12 guys here on stage, only 4 will make it straight to the finals. But we have 6 slots, so the remaining 8 will then have to fight it out for the last 2 remaining slots. At kaya po kung gusto nyong lumusot na ang inyong mga idol, todo lang po kayo sa pagtitext para sa inyong mga male idol. Maaring mahirapan kayo, kaya ito mga judges, pakilala na natin sila. First up, we have master rapper and record producer, Mr. Francis Magalona. Next is the Asia's Queen of Songs, the very lovely Mamita, Ms. Perita Corrales. Our last judge, composer, conductor, arranger, and the maestro of Philippine music, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. All right, FM, unahin na kita. We have 12 guys on stage. What is it that they have para makalusot sila sa semifinals?
Well, you know, to be there out of thousands is already says enough.
Salang-sala na to.
Matindi na yan.
All right. Thank you very much, FM. Mamita, we've seen them over the past month. We've seen them grow from the auditions.
Yes.
And up to here. They're grueling for 3-day auditions at theater.
Yes.
Might I ask you, fearless forecast?
Well, you know, like Francis said, if they're here, they're already made it. But what is very exciting about this group is if you look at them, we all have new faces for our
Fresh faces.
industry. Fresh, new talent. Very, very talented. So that is what excites me very much. Plus, lahat sila guwapo.
Pogi! Thank you very much, Mamita. Mr. C.
Yeah.
Sa lawak ng inyong experience sa music industry,
Okay.
what can you advise our male idol hopefuls?
Okay. Guys, it's not all about singing. Hindi lang kantahan. There's a lot of charm going in there. You have to charm the people who will vote for you. Kasi lahat kayo magagaling sa aming pananaw. Pero kada kanta ninyo, kailangan yun ang pinakamagaling. Okay? Galingan nyo.
Alright, Mr. C, Mamita, FM, thank you very much. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga judges. Umpisahan na natin ang performance night para sa semifinals ng Philippine Idol. Let's begin with our first semifinalist. Iba-iba ang rason ng mga pagsali ng ating idol hopefuls. Yung iba masaya, yung iba sad. Our first idol hopeful, ang kanyang rason ay pangungulila. Naintriga kayo sa kanyang storya? Panoorin natin to. Kilalanin natin si Freddy Caballel.